Myself and my gardening partner Kirsty have been working with the garlic for 6 years, but this particular garden has been in operation for 40 years, with about maybe 10 or so years where it was just lying fallow. So it's been in her family for 3 generations now. We both really love garlic and it sounded like something fun to try. Garlic isn't actually a really hard thing to grow. If you've got some good soil and you've got a bit of mulch, it doesn't need a lot of watering, but if there is any dry periods during the spring, you do need to water it. But other than that, it's actually not hard, and it gives you a very good result. Garlic gets planted in the fall, September or October, and harvested just around now, which is middle of July. And so it sets roots before the first frosts or the heavy frosts, and then it kind of goes dormant through the winter, but then it really starts to grow starting even as early as January. It starts coming up through the ground. We are growing 7 varieties of garlic here. One of them is elephant garlic, which is actually in the leek family, but is considered a garlic. And they all mature, come ripe for harvest at a slightly different time. So right now we've harvested 3 of the varieties, and we have another 4 to go. We're getting good at knowing, what we can sell and what we can't sell and when we can sell it. This is a soft neck, which is a braidable garlic. You can see the stem's really floppy and very similar looking to the red Russian, but has a lot more cloves in it that are slightly smaller. And then this is the elephant garlic, which is the monster garlic. And then this is called Portuguese turban, which is a beautiful garlic. Has a beautiful striped skin on it. And it's a soft neck that has scapes, which is really nice. And it's also an early harvesting garlic. Most of it gets sold through the farmer's market, but we try to sell the larger stuff specifically as seed garlic because it's important to rotate your garlic. If you're a home gardener and you only have one place to plant garlic, you don't want to replant it in the same place every year unless it's fresh seed, because it carries disease. And once you ruin your soil with the disease that affects garlic, you can't ever plant any sort of allium there again. So we have a very good rotation project going on, and so we feel like it's really good quality seed for people to plant. Farming doesn't pay much, but it pays in excellent food to eat all the time, and it's just very rewarding. I wouldn't want to be doing anything else.